This is Tools for Teens, where the smart get smarter. Today we look at some basic tools that you will need to progress through this course and upgrade your AI skills. Welcome to Tools for Teens. This is where the smart gets smarter. Today we're looking at some basic tools that you will need to move through the course without any hassles. Tool number one. I suggest that you create your own Gmail account only for the AI tools that we will be using. This keeps it nice and clean and neat. On almost all of these platforms that we will use, you will need to create an account to access the features and the tools. You can just Google how to create a Gmail account, and I will leave that up to you. The next tool is the Chrome browser. I would suggest that you use a Chrome browser because we will be installing a lot of extensions, specifically Chrome extensions. It just makes it a lot easier. And in the Tools for Teens course, you will see that we are going to focus on a lot of video generation, image generation. All of these require that you work with video, audio, and text. So I would suggest that you get used to video and audio editing tools. This is what I'm using at the moment. It's actually an outdated tool, and the idea is always the same in these editors. Here you can see that I have audio tracks at the bottom and I have video tracks at the top, and it's as simple as that. So you just have to layer these elements to get a product at the end of the day. Now, you don't have to buy any software. A lot of my students use CapCut. You can either use it online or you can download it onto the Mac, or I believe Windows as well. And even Canva works. A lot of my students use Canva to produce their videos at the end of the day. In terms of audio, I found that this editor.audio website works perfectly. So you can just import any audio into this editor and then play around with it. You can cut and paste and crop, or you can even add effects if you want. This is completely free and accessible. I find it very useful, editor.audio. In terms of working with images, you will also need something that you can use to drag and drop and layer various images. So this was the thumbnail that I created for our memory lesson. Here you can see the text. That's our logo that I dragged in. Again, this is actually outdated software. I'm using Page Plus 9, but this is good news for you because it means that even with elementary software, you can get amazing stuff done. And then we also have some great open source free tools that we can use with images and video. Clipdrop.co is one of my go-to websites where I can, for example, erase something in a picture. It's called the cleanup tool, or remove a background. And then VideoBolt offers an array of video editing tools. So you're just going to go to app.videobolt.net. Here in the resource section, you will see simple video tools. And if I browse all tools, you will see that there's a lot you can do here. So you can, for example, reverse the video, or perhaps loop the video, or change the speed, etc. Sky's the limit. And one last tool I want you to install is the OBS Studio tool. So this is also completely free. If you click on the website, you can just choose whether you want to download the Windows, Mac, or Linux option. Okay. This is actually what I'm using right now to record this presentation. So if I open up this browser, you will see there I am at the bottom, and this is my voice being recorded, etc. So those are some basic tools that I want you to install and get used to as soon as possible. We're going to use them to create some amazing products. I'll see you in the next one.